my exercise routine. I get so many emails from you, especially girls, telling that you are suffering from mental disorder and suicidal thoughts. Oh my god, I'm so sorry to hear that. But I can understand you, because for 1 year we were like without any friends, and in lockdown it was very difficult. But impossible is in the words of fools. So there is a way to overcome those problems. And I also went through so many depressions, and I found a way that you can cure that. It's possible. The depression is something that your subtle body is blocked. What happens if your subtle body is blocked? That means your nadis, the channels, are blocked. As a result, those energies are not coming to your particular chakras, and in particular chakras, energies are a lot. For example, if somebody has Vishuddha chakra problem, they'll be talking a lot or gossiping so much, or they don't have any ability to talk. Or if you have some Anahata chakra problem, you will be so much emotional. Just looking at something, you start crying. And so those are imbalance in the chakras. If you have some Anya chakra problem, you will be thinking so much, absorbed in your thinking and different thinking. Your thinking is kind of your reality. So these things can be cured by doing long duration exercise, but regularly. Now devotees may say, hey, why we should waste our time in exercise? It's just material thing. Well, in earlier days, we were not having cars, we were not having grinders, we were not having mortars and butter makers. These days, everything is machine made. We are not washing the cloth with hand, beating with the stone, and we are not bringing water from the river. We are not going to river to take bath and in between swim. We are not doing those things. Everything is coming manufactured in the factories. We have blender, it makes chutney by itself. No need for doing this kind of things like Mother Yashoda did. Or we don't pluck the fruits with hand. Everything is coming from the market. So, and we have buses, cars. We don't walk so much. Most of it sit. That's a problem. So that's why in this day and age, devotees also need a lot of exercise. Now, you may not be so much convinced still, but let me tell you, His Holiness Bhanu Swami Maharaj, he doesn't miss a day to go to gym. He goes, even if he traveled and he came right at 2 o'clock from different country, still at 3 o'clock he will pack his bag and go to the gym. His Grace Vaisheshika Prabhu, he also goes to gym. He's a very busy person, gets up very early, writes book and distributes books and so many disciples and teachings, lectures, but still he finds time for doing exercise. And His Holiness Bibi Gonda Maharaj, when he came to Turkmenistan for 5 days, all 5 days he went to the gym. He didn't say, 5 days what to do, just relax. No, but he went to the gym. So in ISKCON, our acharyas are teaching us, because if we don't exercise in the old age, we will be depending on others. Others have to take care of us, and we will have so many diseases in our body, and we'll waste time in the hospitals. So that's why devotees really need exercises. Now there are 2 types of exercise. One is short duration exercise, other is long duration exercise. Short duration exercise you can do daily. That means like 30 minutes or 20 minutes of exercise. And long duration, if you go for long duration, then you have to give time for your body to take rest. So I go for long duration, because long duration exercise have some immense help for your subtle body, for your health, for your everything. I'll explain to you why. In Ayurveda, we know that there are 7 dhatus, 7 layers. Like when you do panchakarma, First, ghee goes inside plasma and purifies there, and ghee goes inside blood, then inside the fats, inside the muscles, inside bone, then it goes inside marrow, and that marrow produces that ojas. So ghee goes there and purifies all the things. Same way, we have those dhatus we need to purify and reach to the subtle level and purify the nadis as well. So when we do exercise for 20 minutes, we reach the first level. That means it will give you nice mood and you'll be happy, like not so much deep cleansing, but it will make you a little bit cheerful in life and you will be happy. But if you do little more, like 40 minutes exercise, then your skin level, your blood level starts getting purified. So that means blood circulation improves, your pimples will disappear, your hair growth will improve and normalize, and dryness of the skin, all the skin problems or a little bit under the skin starts getting improved. Now, if you go further, 40 minutes I said, if you go for 1 hour, 20 minutes, then you will start losing weight and you will start curing actually so many diseases in your body. Not only blockages, but also places like liver, intestines, and kidneys, and all internal organs start getting healthier just by running for 1 hour 20 minutes. Now, if you want to get rid of depression, then you have to run for 1 hour 40 minutes, because depression is in the subtle level, so you have to go deeper and clean just that deeper part. So running for 1 hour 40 minutes will help to purify the nadis, not only make healthy all your organs, all your skin, like hair, everything, give you long life, but also purify your subtle body. That means your chakras will be balanced, and your speaking, Vishuddha chakra, Anya chakra, your thoughts will be controllable. You won't have any imbalance in those chakras, which is very helpful for us, isn't it? We don't want bad dreams, we don't want bad thoughts or too many thoughts, or we don't want extra talking, inability to explain our thoughts. We want everything to be balanced. So that's why devotees will benefit from this exercise, long duration exercise. So even those people who have some mental disorders, they can benefit from running 1 hour 40 minutes regularly. I didn't concoct this. There is one great devotee doctor, Audharyadhama Prabhu. He suggested, he did so much research and he has his clinic. He's in Russia, so he cured so many people, and he himself follows this, and he advises that we should try to do this long duration exercises. Now, if you do long duration, like I run for 1 hour 40 minutes, 3 miles per hour, it doesn't mean you have to run like a horse so fast. No, you need to run slowly but without stopping for 1 hour 40 minutes. Now, if you run for 1 hour 40 minutes, I give rest 6 days. So once in a week, I run 1 hour 40 minutes. If you run for 1 hour 20 minutes, then you have to give rest 5 days. Like every 5 days you can run. Now, if you run for 40 minutes, then you can run every 3 days. Now, if you run for 20 minutes, then you can run every day, no problem. Because when you run long duration, you need to give rest for your body. Otherwise, your body won't survive. You need to give rest and relaxation to your body. Now, every Tuesday is kind of Mars day, is very energetic day. So I run every Tuesday 1 hour 40 minutes, and I give rest until Saturday. And Saturday I don't run. Saturday I do 1 hour 40 minutes Ashtanga yoga. So if you want to do as like I do, then I recommend you to run, and I recommend you to do Ashtanga yoga. If you're saying you're gonna try other yogas, if you're not experienced, in it, then you can try with other yogas. But don't go for vinyasa, very slow. I don't find it as yoga. It's kind of not for like exercise, but it's more of focusing your mind and all. It may be also useful, but I prefer going for Ashtanga, which will work not only on your mind level, but also your breathing, your muscles. It concentrates on all the body. So like that. So devotees, this was my explanation of my exercise. Today I ran, and that's why I decided to record this video. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.